Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to a new video on Jasmy, of course, your daily update. We're going to do a full update. I mean, so far, Jasmy, after the dump we had in the markets yesterday, Jasmy has been holding on very, very well. If you look at the 4-hour time frame, which we just looked at, we're still very bullish. We got a nice touch off of the 28 and 28 EMA and the 236 FIB. Usually, when you get such a strong reaction from that Fibonacci level or that combination, that's a bullish sign. And in general, a reaction like this to a market-wide dump like this is bullish as well. So I'm still very, very bullish on Jasmy. I still think it's most likely that this market structure, which is an uptrend, will continue. But we'll do a full update. We'll talk about some other things as well, because you can see, for example, that we did get a bit of a bearish breakout right here. Below 4.25 cents, a little bit lower, like it's 0.0422. That's the main level. Got a bit of a bearish breakout below that. So right now you can see that we're this so far, that move up to 4.45 cents looks like a bit of a fake out. But I don't really see enough reasons yet for me to tell you that we're going to drop down. All right. Now, if we do a full analysis, like if we do a deep dive into Jasmy right now, spot CVD is still good. All right, so everybody who's buying Jasmy on spot is still holding out, which is good to see. Momentum has dropped down quite a bit, right? So you can see that the momentum, basically the entire move that we started, when was it? Like 2 days, Thursday evening. That entire move in terms of momentum has already returned. So the momentum is back down to where we were. That's not necessarily the end of the world. And there's also not necessarily some sort of a bearish divergence here. So that's why I'm telling you, in combination with the trend and the structure we still have, I don't think it's most likely to turn bearish here. But we do need more open interest than this to actually start rallying back up. If you look at all of the times that we actually rallied and made new higher highs, you can see it always was with a bullish open interest, with an uptrend, all right? Not necessarily a spike, but here you can see that we started moving up, and then when we were moving up for, let's say, 10 hours or so, that's when we really broke out and make that new higher high. And so far, open interest has been bullish for the last, 5 hours, but you can see it's dropping down now. So that, in combination with the bearish breakout we had, or at least the drop we had, for me it's more likely right now that we'll consolidate. So that means between that level we broke down below, so 0.0422, that's the top, and then the bottom is probably somewhere right here at 3.85 cents. So that's what I think you should expect now, for us to consolidate, and then at some point of time, I expect, because there's no reason to suspect otherwise, at some point of time, I expect the open interest to start rallying back up, and then when we see the open interest to start rallying, then we can actually expect a breakout above 4.22 cents here, and a continuation up to 4.6 and 4.7. That's what I think is most likely at this moment, because there's no indication of any reversal yet. Now, I do think you need to be careful for a reversal, all right? Because even though so far Jasmy has reacted very well to this drop, Bitcoin hasn't, and the market as a whole has not reacted perfectly to this dump we had. So if the market continues to drop down, I think Jasmy can stay strong for quite some time. But if Bitcoin really starts to drop down below 68,000, for example, that's so much bearish pressure that then a bearish breakout for Jasmy below 3.75 cents, for example, is a possibility. So I will probably try to keep you updated on that and make some sort of an emergency update if that happens. So don't worry too much about that yet. But short term, after that bearish breakdown we had, I do think a bit of bearish confirmation or bearish continuation here into that consolidation is most likely on the short term. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.